Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today we are bringing some shine to your screen for with 20 gorgeous metallic airbrush cake ideas that look like belong in a luxury gallery. Let's dive into dazzling world of gold, silver, bronze, and chrome finishes. The first one is full gold airbrush cake. Let's start bold. A full gold airbrush cake, perfect for royal themes or luxury birthdays. Add pearl or floral detail to soften the look. Silver shimmer cake. This silver shimmer cake is subtle yet glamorous. Great for winter themes, anniversaries, or modern vibes. The next is black and gold ombre airbrush cake. Create drama with a black to gold ombre effect. The contrast adds depth and elegance, a favorite for every evening events. The next is metallic marble airbrush. A marble cake with metallic veins brings art to the dessert table. Use edible gold print with airbrush highlight for a luxe look. The next is rose gold brush cake. Feminine and elegant rose gold airbrushing over pink tile is perfect for bridal showers, birthdays, or modern weddings. The next is chrome mirror cake. This tile cake feel rustic and bold. Add geometric shapes, toppers for clean contemporary edges. The next is metallic sunset gradient. Create a sunset metallic look with gold, copper, and bronze, blending into each other, perfect for all weddings and elegant evening parties. The next is metallic cupcake swirls. Add shine to your cupcakes by lighting airbrushing metallic color onto the frosting. Great for dessert tables. The next is textured metallic cake. Airbrushed textured cake with stencils and petal knife. Use stencil or texture tools, then airbrush metallic over it. The raised designs with the metallic finishes gives a sculpted effect. The next is gold drip with metallic base. Combine two trends, metallic airbrush and gold drips. It's luxurious and irresistible. The next is Stray Night Metallic Cake. Add stars and moons using silver or gold airbrush on a dark background. Perfect for celestial or night sky theme events. The next is metallic floral stencils. Use lace or floral stencils to create metallic impression on fondant. Great for romantic or vintage cake styles. This cake sprinkled like a diamond. Pair silver airbrush with gem toppers or edible glitters. The next is industrial metallic finish. For a unique touch, try industrial metallic texture. It's perfect for steampunk or musical cake. The next is mixed metal cake. Can't pick one. Use multiple metallics. Split the sides or sides and spray with each with different finish for contrast. Which cake was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Cakes Factory for more creative ideas and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update only on Cakes Factory. If you like this video, press like button and take a screenshot of your favorite design so you can make that cake for your next event. or share that cake with your baker or your best friend or your loved one so they know about your ideas or about your likes. What do you want for in your next party or event? Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself and your family. Goodbye.